BLO will open the application. After opening the application, BLO will enter the registered mobile number. After entering the registered mobile number, BLO will click on the button Request OTP. Then BLO will enter the OTP received on BLO mobile and click on Verify OTP. After then, BLO will select the part number and click on Submit button. BLO will check the device compatibility report and click on Submit button. Now, BLO will navigate to Special Intensive Revision SIR module. BLO will click on SIR module, Special Intensive Revision. After clicking on it, BLO will select the language from the drop-down and click on Submit button. The purpose of this video is to explain how to fill enumeration form. So to fill the enumeration form, BLO will click on the third tab, Fill Enumeration Form. Here, BLO can click on the button Scan QR code and the epic will get searched and result will be displayed. Or BLO can enter the epic number, part serial number or elector name under the search text box. Let's suppose BLO enters one epic number under the search text box. The record will be displayed. Here, three buttons are visible: Fill Form, Mark Uncollectible and View Mobile Number. To fill the enumeration form, BLO needs to click on the first button, Fill Form. Now BLO will click on the button Fill Form. Here BLO can fill the form either by BLO mapped, system suggested or search. Let's suppose BLO proceed with BLO mapped. Here the current e-roll details as of 2025 is visible to BLO. Self details are visible to BLO here. Name exists in last SIR electoral roll 2005, where name in the current e-roll and name in the last SIR is visible with yellow strip. To update the details, BLO can click on the update button. Either proceed with the same details by clicking on Verify and Continue. After clicking on Verify and Continue button, a confirmation message will come. Do you want to enter the details of the relative of the elector? Yes or no. To enter the relative details, BLO click on Yes. Another pop-up will appear. Search details either by SIR 2002, 2003, 2005 or SIR 2025, 2026. BLO needs to choose any of these options. Let's suppose BLO proceed with the first option by selecting the first radio button SIR 2002, 2003, 2005. After selecting the first radio button, the search by AC, part serial number or search by location and family pop-up will appear. BLO can search by any of these options. Let's suppose BLO proceed with search by AC, part serial number. BLO will select the last SIR state from the drop-down. Then BLO will select the last SIR AC number from the drop-down. Then BLO will select the last SIR part number from the drop-down and enter the last SIR part serial number under the text box and click on Search Detail button. After it, the record will get populated. BLO will verify the details and click on Verify and Continue button. Now Fill Enumeration Form screen will appear. Here the details of the elector in the electoral roll of the last SIR is visible to the BLO. Details of the relative in the last SIR is visible. Now BLO will select the relative type from the drop down. After providing the type, the relative name in current e-roll and name in last SIR along with red strip will get visible to the BLO. After then, BLO will proceed further and provide the general details. BLO will provide the date of birth here. After providing the date of birth, BLO can provide the Aadhaar number. It is optional. Then BLO will provide the mobile number. Enter the mobile number under the text box. Then BLO can provide the father's EPIC number if available, father's name, mother's EPIC number if available, mother's name, spouse EPIC number if available, and spouse name, which is optional. Then BLO will proceed further and can upload the enumeration form or can also upload the new photo of the elector by clicking on button upload/click photo and then click on submit button. The form will get submitted successfully. Now to fill the EF by system suggested, BLO will click on the system suggested tab. Then the current e-roll details as of 2025 will be visible to the BLO. Here BLO needs to search the details by entering the grandparent name as per last SIR 2005. So BLO will enter the grandparent's name under the text box. BLO can also use the mic option. After entering the grandparent's name, BLO will select the relationship type from the drop-down. After entering the relationship type, BLO will click on the search button. After it, the records will be fetched. BLO will verify the details and select the correct one by selecting the radio button. After selecting the radio button, verify and continue button will be enabled. So BLO will click on verify and continue to proceed further. Then to fill the EF form, screen will appear. Here the details of the relative is visible. Then BLO will select the elector relationship with the relative details from the drop down. Then scroll down and enter the general details. Here father's name and mother's name is mandatory. Other details are optional. BLO can fill it or can skip and proceed further. Now BLO will enter the mobile number, enter the father's name, mother's name, and then proceed further. BLO can upload the EF or upload the new photo of the elector and then can click on the submit button. After submitting, the EF will get submitted successfully. Now to fill the EF with the search, then BLO will click on the tab search. The current e-roll details as of 2025 is visible. Here BLO can select any of the four options. Search elector in previous SIR either by elector in 2005, elector is progeny of 2005 elector, elector is progeny of 2025 or 2026 elector, and no linkage with the last SIR. So BLO needs to select any of these four options. Let's suppose here BLO select the third option, elector is progeny of 2025-2026 elector. Here BLO can search by AC and part serial number. So BLO will select the last SIR state from the drop down. Then select the last SIR district from the drop down, last SIR AC number from the drop down, last SIR part number from the drop down, and then enter the last SIR part serial number and click on search detail. So details will be visible to the BLO. BLO will verify it and then click on verify and continue button. So to fill the EF form, screen will appear. So BLO can view the details of the elector, then select the elector relationship with the relative details from the drop down and then enter the general details. Here mobile number, father's name and mother's name is mandatory, that needs to be filled by the BLO. Other details are optional. BLO can provide the details or can skip and proceed further. BLO will provide the date of birth here. Then enter the mobile number. Father's name is present. Then BLO will enter the mother's name. BLO can either upload the enumeration form and upload the new photo of the elector and click on the submit button. After clicking on submit button, the EF will get submitted successfully. So this is how BLO can fill the EF by 3 options: BLO mapped, system suggested or search. Now BLO will navigate back. Here the next button which is visible is mark uncollectible. To mark the particular elector as uncollectible, BLO will click on button mark uncollectible. A screen will appear. Here BLO have to select one of these radio button that BLO have visited the elector 3 times and found him to be either already enrolled, death, permanently shifted, untraceable or absent, or refused to sign EF. Let's suppose here BLO have selected permanently shifted. Then BLO will provide the remarks, upload the enumeration form which is mandatory, or upload the supporting documents if any, which is optional, and then click on the submit button. After clicking on the submit button, the particular elector will be marked as uncollectible and that particular elector will get removed from the queue and the BLO will be navigated back to the previous screen. Now there is another third button, view mobile number. To view the mobile number, BLO will click on this button and the pop-up will appear where the elector's mobile number is visible. If BLO wants to call the particular elector, BLO can click on the call button and can contact the particular elector. So this is all about the fill enumeration form. Thank you.